Hello students, welcome to Suraj School Bhiwadi. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is linear equation in one variable. So look at the chapter name, that is linear equation and one variable. So in throughout the chapter we will focus on the linear one. So you know that we have discussed about the algebraic expression, that linear we will call if the degree is 1, and if the degree is 2 we will call it quadratic, and if the degree is 3 we will call it as cubic. And one variable means variable we will involve only one, either the whole equation will be in the x or in the y or in the t or in the s, means we talk about only one variable. And the what equation means there will be sign of is equal to. So in this chapter we will study about linear equations in one variable. So we are now familiar with algebraic expressions and their operations. You have learned about plus, minus, multiply and divide in algebraic expression. An algebraic expression becomes equation when it contains an equal to sign. Algebraic expression will become equation when it contains a sign of equal. An equation is a statement of equality. What is an equation? It is a statement of equality involving one or more unknown variables, means the both side will be equal if we put the sign is equal to. A linear equation is an equation involving only linear polynomial. Linear equation is a equation means having a sign of equal and having only one linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means the highest power, or you can say the degree is 1 and the variables are involving is only 1. So in this chapter we will study about linear equations in one variable and their solution. We will learn how to solve the linear equations. So what is the trick beta? Whenever there is a sign of equal, any number will go this side. The minus will change to plus, plus will change to minus. Multiply and divide will interchange, so divide will become multiply and multiply will become the divide. So these are the basic rules. When there is a sign of equal, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. If any number change the position from left to right, okay, then what happens? If the sign is of minus, it will become plus, and if the sign is of plus, it will become minus, and if the sign is of division, it will become multiply, and if the sign is of multiply, then it will become divide. Remember that variable will be added or subtracted in variables, and numbers will be added or subtracted in numbers. So let us start the exercise questions. First, solve the linear equations and check the result. Firstly you solve and then check. So here is the question. X plus 2 by 5 is equal to 3. So what is the task? You just change the position. Number will be operated in numbers, variable will be operated in variables. So here it is variable, it is number, so change the side of the number. Here it is a sign of plus, change the sign. Fine, this is your first step, that number will be put with number, variable will be put together with variable. Here leave x, plus 2 by 5 will go on the next side. Now take the LCM. The LCM of 1 and 5 will be 5. Now you divide 5 by 1, it will be 5. So here it will become 15, and when you divide 5 by 5 it is 1, multiply 2 with 1. These are the operations on rational numbers, which is your first chapter. So it is 13 by 5. And you also have to check this whether the answer is correct or not. So x is equal to 13 by 5. So for checking, just put the value in left hand side. So your left hand side is x plus 2 upon 5. Put the value, this is 13 by 5. Put the value. Then take LCM beta. 13 plus 2, that is 15 upon 5. So you get 3. And what is RHS? It is also 3. So what do you see? That left hand side and right hand side both are equal. That means your answer is correct. Okay. So firstly you have to solve the value, solve the equation, you will get x, and then you will put the value of x for checking your results. Then question B of this exercise, 4 upon 5 x minus 2 upon 3 x equals 7 upon 12. So this is variable number. So variable are with variable, no problem, they are together. Take LCM. The LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Divide 15 by 5. Divide 15 by 5. It is 3. So multiply it with 3. So it is 12x. Divide 15 by 3. It is 5. So it is multiply with it. It is 10x. It is 7 by 12. Okay. LCM we have taken. Then we divide 15 by 5, that is 3. 4 3s are 12. Divide 15 by 3, that is 5. 5 2s are 10. It is 2x upon 15. Now we have to find only the x. Fine. Now this 2 is in multiply of x, so take it in the division. Take it in the division. This number is in division, take it in multiplication. When the side change, sign change. Multiply will become the divide and divide will be multiplied. Solve it. Solve it. So 3 5s are, 3 4s are. So your answer will be 35 upon 8. X will be 35 upon 8. You also have to check the result. So for checking you have just to put the value of x in place of x. You will put 35 upon 8. And both sides should be equal. If LHS and RHS after putting are equal, then your result is verified. Do it yourself. Now question number C. X upon 2 minus x upon 3 plus x upon 4 is equal to 6. So what you have to do? You have to take the LCM 2, 3, 4. The LCM will be 12. Now divide 12 by 2. It is 6. So multiply it by 6. It will be 6x. Divide 12 by 3. It is 4. So multiply it 4x. Then divide 12 by 4. It is 3. So it is plus 3x. Have your rough notebook, practice notebook with you for solving the exercise. Then 6 plus 3 will be plus 9 minus 4. That is 5x. 5x upon 12. Positive numbers will be added, negative number will be subtracted. Now here the 12 is in division, so do in the multiplication. 5 is in the division. Now solve it. X will be 72 upon 5. In this manner you will do. What is the golden rule of solving linear equation? Variables will be operated with variables. Numbers will be operated with numbers. When the side change, sign change. And you must know the rule of algebra, plus plus minus. Okay. Now we will do one more question of this exercise. We will do question number F. X upon 3, then x upon 5, then 2x upon 7, then 3x upon 4 is equal to 3 2s are 6, 7 upon 2. Means it is in mixed number. So in mixed number you have to change 2 3s are 6, 6 and 1, 7 upon 2. Now take the LCM. 3 5 7 4. You take the LCM. 3 5s are 15, 15 7s are 105, 15 4s are 60. 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60, 420. Okay. Now divide 420 with 3. It is 140. Okay, so multiply it with 140. It is 140x. Better take the LCM. Okay. Now divide by 5. It will be, when you divide it by 5, then it will be 5 4s are 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, 84x. Then divide by 7. It will be 60. So it is 120x. Then divide by 4. It will be 105. So 105 multiply by 3. 405. Now do the calculations of it and cross multiply. Take the numbers. In this manner you have to solve this exercise, beta. I have told you the basic rule that what you have to do, you have to bring the number with number. Numbers will be operated with number, variable will be operated with variable. You can take one more question, that is g. Here you can see 4 and 3 LCM, so just take the LCM firstly, this is 12. So multiply it 3x minus 1, then multiply it 4x minus 2, and then this is in mixed number, change it 25 by 6. Now solve it, do the calculations, and you will get the answer. In the here also the same thing, h, in case of the h part, 4 by x. Now this is 1 by 15, this plus 20 will be gone on the next side, so it is in plus, so it will become the minus. Now the take the LCM, it will be 15 to the 300. Solve it beta, so it is minus 299 upon 15. Now do the cross multiplication, have x on one side and get the value of x, match it from the book. So you will try this exercise today. If there is any problem, you can consult in live lecture, but before that you must do the practice in your practice notebook with pencil, so that if there is cutting, so you can change it. Thank you so much. God bless you all.